What does ham radio give to me? Now, this is seeing ham radio through the lens. Excuse me, I'm sorry. This is seeing ham radio through the lens of a 64-year-old man with some significant challenges. Okay? And I do need to mention that we've been without power 4 or 5 times in the last couple of years. One of those times was for 4 days straight. We had no internet service. We had no cell phone service. And I'm a cardiac patient. And when they say that ham radio can save your life, well, it could have. But what does ham radio give to me personally? Camaraderie with others like me. I sit and listen to the bands at night, generally 40 meters and 80 meters at night, and I listen to other men like me, many of whom have health challenges far worse than mine. Many with the same challenges, and I get to hear their experiences. That's worth more than its weight in gold to me, man. What does ham radio give to us? New friends, reassurance when we're challenged, when we face the challenges that we all face in life. Reassurances, entertainment for dang sure, different points of view, a sense of safety. I just talked about that. A source of education. It's almost limitless. And there are many on the air who have great experience in the things that you and I are interested in. A sense of belonging. You know, a lot of older guys who like to check into these nets and round tables, some people like to bash nets. I don't. They get a sense of belonging to a group. And especially to the retiree. Remember, I'm seeing these things through the lens of age. It's so easy to become socially isolated as we advance in age. And to have a sense of belonging is so valuable. Ham radio lets me enjoy my second language of CW daily, whether using it to chat or just copying it. CW's been a huge part of my whole life, almost. Came into my life at the age of 14, it's been with me ever since. Ham radio lets me enjoy home brewing simple projects. Like the antenna switch I showed you, all it is 3 switches and 4 jacks in a metal box, and it's one of the most useful accessories I own.